So next on the agenda here is the BGRI Gene Stewardship Award ceremony. The BGRI Gene Stewardship Award was created in 2012, and this year's award is the third award that we've made. In previous awards, the BGRI has honored the Nepal National Wheat Breeding Team in 2012 and the Australian Cereal Rust Control Program in 2013. The BGRI Gene Stewardship Award is made to a scientist or a team of scientists who demonstrate excellence in the development, multiplication, and/or release of rust-resistant wheat varieties through appropriate means that encourage diversity, complexity of resistance, promote the durability of the materials, and help implement the BGRI's goal of responsible gene deployment and stewardship. And obviously, this is the award. We call this the Norman. It's getting a little heavy for Jeannie here, so I'm going to, this year, I'm proud to announce that 5 members of the Ethiopian national team are the recipients of the award. So, I'm going to read the names of the team members, and if they would please come up on the stage, and I'll just warn you in advance, be careful back there. It's a kind of a dark, you have to navigate. So please come up, we'll present the Norman, and then we'll present certificates. Then I'll give you the background of why the team won this award, and then I'll ask some colleagues, including the Director General and the nominator and others, to come up and join. So bear with us while we go through this. So the first member of the team is Dr. Bedada, hold your applause please, is Dr. Bedada Germabuta. Dr. Bedada, please come up. Dr. Gitani Woleb Wolderfald, I think maybe Dr. Gitani is not here. Dr. Bekele Hunde Agdu, Dr. Ayele Babedo Huluka, and Mr. Solomon Galacha Woyesa. Please come up. And Jeannie, if you'll present the award, we'll give them a big round of applause. So I'll just ask you all to remain there. There'll be some photographs going on. So let me just say that since the inception of the BGR in 2005, the Ethiopian team has engaged many scientists in Ethiopia in the fight against UG99. The team has addressed various issues related to rust pathology and the development and deployment of rust-resistant wheat cultivars that are Ethiopia-specific. Equally significantly, the team has fostered and facilitated the development of critical collaborations among Ethiopian wheat scientists and international scientists in the conduct of research of mutual interest on various topics, including pathogen biology and disease epidemiology, screening, resistance gene discovery, and wheat improvement for rust resistance. These efforts have led to the development of a new knowledge in pathogen biology and disease epidemiology in Eastern Africa, the discovery of novel stem rust resistance in wheat and its wild relatives, and most significantly, in the rapid development and deployment of UG99 resistant cultivars in farmers' fields in Ethiopia. These outcomes have substantially reduced the vulnerability of wheat to UG99, not just in Ethiopia, but in the entire world as well. The team's contributions to Ethiopia and the world community in the battle against UG99 are exemplary of responsible gene stewardship. So I'd also like to recognize Dr. Bekele Abayo, who nominated the EIAR scientists for the award and who, as CIMMYT employee based in Ethiopia, worked closely with this team. Please come forward, Bekele. And please join me in inviting to the stage the Honorable Director General of the Ethiopian Agricultural Research Institute, Dr. Fentahun Mengistu. Dr. Mengistu, could you please come up? Finally, I'd like to recognize the next generation of Ethiopian famine fighters, all of the younger Ethiopian scientists out there in the audience today. Kabadi, Jeminesh, all of you, all the Ethiopian scientists are here. Would you please come up and join your countrymen in honor of this award? Please come up. All the Ethiopians. All of you, come on up. We got a pretty good delegation, but we got a big stage. So it's important to recognize that this is a team for the future, as well as a lot of accomplishments in the past, but a lot of work to be done in the future. So I've got some certificates here. I'm going to ask Jeannie to hand them to the members of the team, and as I read them out here, and hopefully I've got them in the right order, Jeannie. So, Dr. Bedada Gurmabuta. And Dr. Gitani Woleb, wonderful. Dr. Gitani is not here, so Dr. Bedada, please convey it to him with our best wishes. And Dr. Bekele Hunde Agdu. And Dr. Ayele Babedo Huluka Ayele. And Mr. Solomon Galacha, well, yes. And this looks like a second one for Dr. Bekele Hunde Adu. So I guess we don't need to give you two. I should have noticed that when I was signing them, I don't know. So anyway, you're a wonderful lineup. Thank you all for being here, and thank you for all the hard work that you've done and are going to do. And now let me just give you a few logistics of how we're going to proceed from here.